Becoming a bestseller on Fiverr requires dedication, hard work, and a willingness to continuously improve your skills and services. Here are some tips that can help. Choose a niche. Select a niche that you are passionate about and excel in. This will allow you to offer services that are unique, high quality, and in demand. Optimize your profile. Your Fiverr profile is your online storefront. Make sure it looks professional and polished. Use high-quality images, videos, and descriptions that accurately reflect your services and skills. Offer high-quality services. Focus on delivering high-quality services to your clients. This will increase your chances of getting positive reviews and repeat business. Price your services competitively. Make sure your prices are competitive and fair for the services you are offering. Consider offering packages and discounts to attract more clients. Communicate effectively. Be responsive and communicate clearly with your clients. Respond to messages and inquiries promptly and professionally. Market your services. Use social media, blogging, and other marketing channels to promote your services and attract more clients. Build your reputation. Encourage clients to leave positive reviews and feedback. This will help you build a strong reputation on Fiverr and increase your chances of becoming a bestseller. Remember, becoming a bestseller on Fiverr takes time and effort. Focus on providing high-quality services, building a strong reputation, and continuously improving your skills and services. Good luck! Thanks for watching.